This guide offers a comprehensive checklist for successful website migration while preserving SEO rankings. It covers planning, monitoring, and troubleshooting, catering to various levels of expertise. Website migration involves significant changes to a site's setup, design, structure, and more, potentially impacting search engine visibility. Categories include platform, domain, protocol, structural, and content migrations. Migration indeed affects SEO, leading to fluctuating search rankings, traffic variations, and visibility changes. Post-migration, search engines must recrawl and reindex the site, with mishaps leading to improper redirects and lowered keyword rankings. The duration of an SEO migration depends on factors like website size, migration type, and resources. Typically lasting weeks to months, pre-migration audits, testing, and post-migration analysis ensure success. Prior to migration, comprehensive planning is essential. Clear migration goals, assembling a skilled team, performing site audits, backing up data, setting up a staging site. Planning the migration timeline, and informing users about changes are critical steps. Technical SEO considerations during migration encompass setting up webmaster tools, managing URL structure and redirects, ensuring mobile responsiveness. In addition, maintaining site speed, implementing HTTPS security, updating robots.txt, managing backlinks, and tracking 404 pages. On-page SEO best practices involve preserving and optimizing metadata, maintaining quality content, enhancing internal linking. In addition to those, resolving duplicate content, utilizing XML sitemaps and robots.txt, and retaining the old domain for SEO value. Monitoring and troubleshooting post-migration include tracking search engine performance, monitoring keyword rankings, conducting regular site crawls and audits, utilizing Google Search Console. You should also be collecting user feedback and seeking help from the SEO community. In conclusion, website migration balances seizing improvement opportunities with retaining SEO value. Different migration types can impact SEO, demanding meticulous planning and ongoing optimization. The process may lead to temporary fluctuations, but with patience, monitoring, and optimization, migration can set the stage for enhanced site performance and growth.